Hello children. Previous videos we have seen how to find the roots of quadratic equations. Okay, we have used factorization, then completing the squares, formula method. Okay, now in this video we are going to see some more examples on quadratic equations. So let us begin with. Your question is find the roots of the following equations. First is x plus 1 by x equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. This condition will be there because if x is 0, it won't be defined. Okay. So x plus 1 by x equal to 0. It is not in our standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have to make it to the standard form. Now see, to the denominator I have x. So I don't need that at the denominator. So what is better? Throughout, you just multiply, that is throughout your numerator, multiply it by x. So will I get it as x into x, I'll be getting as x square, x by x, that x will get cancelled, and 3 into x you will be getting as 3x. Okay, so you will get the equation as x square plus 1 equal to 3x. But is that in our standard form? No. So rewrite it in the standard form and you will get the equation as x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation with the values a as 1, b as minus 3 and c as 1. Now this type of questions, it will be better to make use your this formula method so that directly I can substitute the values and I can find the roots. Okay, because if I make use of the factorization method, you will see that your product is what? 1 and sum is minus 3. So it's too difficult for us to find it quickly, right? We need to check for roots, for fractions and all. So it's better to make use of the formula method. Okay, so to find your to use your formula method, what was the formula? It was x was minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that b square minus 4ac, what it was called as your discriminant. Okay, now we'll be finding the value of b square minus 4ac. So after substituting the values, you will get the value as 5. Now 5, it is greater than 0. That means the roots will be what? Your roots will be distinct real roots. Okay. Now substitute the value in that formula. You will be getting, substitute the value of b. This we have already found, that is 5. So you will be getting it as minus of minus 3 plus or minus root 5. That means the roots will be 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. Is that clear? Okay. See the next one. Next, I have 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2. It is equal to 3. Now, here I can make use of C. Now, if I have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, what you'll be doing? You'll be doing either you'll be finding the LCM or you can just have the cross multiplication. Okay, if something it is equal to x, something it is given. Okay, I can make use of cross multiplication, right? The same thing I'll be doing is I'll be just cross multiplying this. So I will get it as 1 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x. Okay, that is equal to 3. And the denominator I will be having as x into x minus 2. Okay, so numerator I wrote it as it is. This denominator again I can take it to the other side and it will be 3x multiplied with x minus 2. X and x will get cancelled. So you'll be getting it as minus 2, it is equal to 3x square minus 6x. Rearrange it. and see what will be the equation. I'll be getting 3x square minus 6x plus 2. It will be a quadratic equation. And the values of a, b, c, it will be 3, minus 6 and 2 respectively. Okay. So find your b square minus 4ac. After substituting the values, you are going to get the value as 12. So 12, again here it is greater than 0. That means it will have distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Now make use of your formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now if you're finding, without finding first that root of b square minus 4ac, you can substitute the value here and you can find. I have found before, so that if it is less than 0, there itself we can stop. No need to do this. Okay, that is what I have founded that value b square minus 4ac at the first. So substitute the value. I'll get here minus of minus 6 plus or minus root 12. Now root 12, I can write it as, check whether whenever a number is in a square root, see whether I can express that number as product of here something, a perfect square and the other number. Okay. So whether 12 I can write it as 4 into 3, where your 4 is a perfect square, so that I can simplify and write it as 2 root 3. The same thing it is written it here, 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. So again, in the numerator if you check, your 2 is common. So I can take it 2 outside. Inside the bracket I will be having 3 plus or minus root 3 by 6. So this and this will get cancelled. So it will be here 3. So the roots will be 3 plus root 3 by 2. 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3. Okay. So this will be the roots of your given quadratic equation. Hope this question is also clear. Okay. Now, next one. Express 4x minus 3 by 2x plus 1 minus 10 into 2x plus 1 by 4x minus 3 equal to 3, where your x is not equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is not equal to 3 by 4 in standard form, and then find its roots by factorization method. So we are going to find the roots by using factorization method. Now see in the question, if it is specified, you have to make use of that specified form. Okay, whichever it is specified, if by using completing the square, you have to make use of that method itself. Okay, so I have to simplify this term. Now see, this question either you can solve it by just having your cross multiplication, as we have done in the previous question. So you'll get 4x minus 3 into 4x minus 3 minus 10 into, it will be 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 into 4x minus 3. And then that denominator you can take it to the right hand side. Okay, and you can simplify it. Or the other method is, now if you see here, it is numerator is 4x minus 3, denominator is 2x plus 1. If you check the next term, is it a reciprocal of this term? Yes, that is the reciprocal of 4x minus 3 by 2x plus 1. Clear? So just in the second method, what we are going to do is, let 4x minus 3 by 2x plus 1 be taken as any variable. Suppose that variable is equal to y. Okay. That means the other term, it was 2x plus 1 by 4x minus 3. So will it be 1 by y? Okay. So I have got the first term as y and the second term I have got that 1 by y. So whether this equation I can rewrite as what? It is y minus 10 into this value is 1 by y equal to 3. Is that clear? So I'll get it as y minus 10 by y equal to 3. Now can I multiply throughout by y because y is at the denominator? And then you will get it as y square minus 10, it is equal to 3y. Okay, rearrange it and see what will be my quadratic equation. It will be y square minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Now here they have told or they have specified to make use of your factorization method. No other method should be used. Okay, so in this, what is the product? Product is AC, that is product is 1 into minus 10, that is minus 10. And what is the sum? That is nothing but the coefficient of y. So sum is minus 3 and product is minus 10. So which will be the numbers? Whether 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 minus 2 is also 3. I have to think for the sign. Since the product is negative, 1 should be negative. And the sum is given to be negative, that means greater number should have the negative sign. So whether I'll be having the numbers as minus 5 and 2. Okay. Either you can write here directly the factors as y minus 5 into y minus 2 equal to 0, since here the coefficient of y square is 1, or just split the middle term as minus 3 as minus 5y plus 2y. Okay, then just make it as your brackets, first two terms first bracket, last two terms in the second bracket, and see whether you can take anything common. So first two terms I can take y as a common and you'll be getting it as y minus 5 plus, in the last two terms 2 is common, so it will be plus 2 into y minus 5 equal to 0. So the factors you will have y minus 5 and y plus 2 equal to 0. So I'll get the values of y as 5, or it will be y equal to minus 2. But this is not the roots, because what we have taken, that y is nothing but some form of your x. Clear? So don't stop here. I have to again find the value of x. That is your ultimate aim. Okay. So either my y will be equal to 5 or y will be equal to minus 2. Okay. Now we have taken what? That 4x minus 3 by 2x plus y, so plus 1 was taken to be equal to y. So if my y equal to 5, you'll be having two cases. If y as 5 or y as minus 2. So accordingly you have to write. So if y equal to 5, your equation 1 becomes, it will be 4x minus 3 by 2x plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, simplify it. This 2x plus 1, it will be multiplied to 5. Simplify and see whether you are getting the answer of x as minus 4 by 3. Okay, so first value of x when y is 5 is minus 4 by 3. Next is what? Next condition is if y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So in that case, again that equation 1, just change the value of y. Then multiply this to this side, simplify it and see whether value of x, it is equal to 1 by. Okay. And hence of quadratic equations are minus 4 by 3 and 1 by 8. Hope this again is clear. Don't forget to take that two conditions when y equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2. Okay, don't stop it there itself when you get the values of y, because we have to find the roots of given quadratic equation in terms of x. That means we have to find the values of x. Okay. Next, find the roots of the equation 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 is equal to 4 by x plus 4 by using quadratic formula. Okay. So here, which will be easier to do? Now can I take here any term as y? No, because here it is 1 by 1 plus x. Here it is totally different. That is 1 by x plus 2 it is. As well as on the RHS you have 1 by x plus 4 you have. 4 into 1 by x plus 4. That means I cannot take any of that term as y. So what is a usual method? Usual method, cross multiplication. Okay. So it will be a consider that given. Now what I'll be doing, this into this. So I'll be getting as x plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into x plus 1. Denominator I'll be having as x plus 1 into x plus 2. That is equal to 4 by x plus 4. Okay. Simplify your numerator and this I can take it to this side, as well as x plus 4 I can multiply it to the other side. First simplify it and then we can do. So I have first cross multiplied here. I'll get this as the answer. This is the simplification. Okay. So I have got now 3x plus 4 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. That is same as 4 by x plus 4. Okay. Now what to do again? I don't want anything at the denominator. So again just multiply like this, cross. Okay. So will I get it as 3x plus 4 into this into this. So 3x plus 4 into x plus 4 and 4 into this bracket. Okay. That is what we will get here. Now simplify it and see whether this I can write it as 3x into 3x plus 4 plus 4 into x plus 4. Again simplify the right hand side and see whether you will get the form as 4x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 3x square minus 16x minus 16 equal to 0. Okay. Again see whether the like terms you have. 4x square minus 3x square are the like terms. 12x and minus 16x. Then 8 and minus 16 are the like terms. Okay. So simplify it and see whether you will get it as x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Now by which method we have to solve? We have to solve this by formula method. Okay. So whether a is equal to 1, b as minus 4 and c as minus 8. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. I have got the value of b square minus 4ac as 48. Now 48 is greater than 0. Right? 48 is greater than 0. So again I'll be having how many roots? I'll be having two distinct real roots. Okay. So find the value of x by that formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. Again, inside the root I have 48. Can I write 48 as a multiple of any square number? Yes. May I write root 48 as square root of 16 into 3? Because square root of 16 we know. So, may I write it as 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 by 2. That is 4 root 4 by 4 root 4, sorry, 4 plus 4 root 3 by 2 or 4 minus 4 root 3 by 2. Clear? So I can take here 4 outside and you can get 4 into 1 plus root 3 by 2, or your value it will be 4 into 1 minus root 3 by 2. So simplify it and see whether you will get the answer as x equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 or x equal to 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so that will be the roots of given quadratic equations. Okay, that will be the roots. Hope these questions are clear to you. So maximum questions I have given in this. And the next we'll be seeing word problems. Okay, thank you.